Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so firstly subscribe my channel and like my video. So firstly click on the sorry friends, today's video title is how to off the outdoor mode in our mobile phone. So let us start now our video. Firstly click the setting icon. After that here we will see many options. Swipe up and here we will click on the display option. After that here you will see the outdoor mode is on. Firstly off this option. It means that your outdoor mode is off and it doesn't increase the screen brightness for 15 minutes or any more time. And if the screen is turned off or on when the 15 minutes have elapsed or not, outdoor mode will not remain enabled until the screen is turned off. So I hope you will understand carefully and I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you so much for watching our video.